Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A32. It is the lowest variant of the new A series. It was launched alongside with A52 and A72 series. It comes with a frameless camera design that looks pretty unique. It looks different from the other series. On the left side of the box there is the word Galaxy A32 and on the right is blank. And at the bottom there is a variant of the smartphone. This one is the variant of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal memory. The color is awesome violet that looks just like on the front part of this box. Okay, now let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy A32. And here it is, the content of the Samsung Galaxy A32 package. In this white box there is no soft case inside this package, and it only comes with manual book. Then underneath we immediately get the Samsung Galaxy A32. It comes with the awesome violet color variant which looks quite attractive with the new frameless camera design. It looks quite different from A52 and A72 series and the previous series. Then next, inside this box we also get a 15-watt charger adapter. Samsung Galaxy A32 series only support 15-watt fast charging, and it doesn't support up to 25 watt like A52 and A72 series. Then we also get a SIM card tray ejector and also USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. And that's all we got inside the box of Samsung Galaxy A32. For the Samsung Galaxy A32 series, there are 4 color variants. There are white, black, blue, and awesome violet colors like on this video. There are 2 RAM variants. There is 6 GB of RAM and also 8 GB of RAM variant. So if you want to buy this A32, make sure you look at the RAM variant first, because the price is definitely different between the two. The internal memory capacity for both variants is 128 GB. And now let's take a look at the design of the Samsung Galaxy A32 series. It looks quite attractive on the rear side. Let's immediately open this sticker on the back side and also the sticker on the edge of the smartphone. The rear design looks pretty attractive with the frameless camera design, and it looks quite different from other series as well. The design is quite simple and minimalist and without a thick camera bump. The camera bump is a little bit visible on the camera circle. For the design on the back, you can see the Samsung logo and also the IMEI number. For the camera setup on Samsung Galaxy A32, there are 4 cameras on the back. The main camera is 64 megapixel with f1.8. Then there is also an ultra-wide 8 megapixel f2.2 camera. And there are also 2 5 megapixel cameras with f2.4 for the macro camera and depth sensor camera. The camera setup looks not much different from A52 and A72 series. The 3 big camera lenses line up perfectly with the same diameter on this left side, and on the right there is one small lens that is the same size as the flash LED light at the bottom. The setup is pretty neat and looks quite attractive. The backcase design also looks quite premium. At first sight, the backcase material looks like it is made of glass, but it turns out that the backcase material is made of polycarbonate material. However, when you first look at it, the design looks like it is made of glass. The design is also quite attractive, and looks premium on this A32 as compared to A52 series, which comes with a higher price. In fact, it seems that the A32 design looks quite premium and different from other series, even from its own Samsung smartphone series. The form factor of Samsung A32 series looks pretty good on hand, and the weight is not too heavy either. The weight of the Samsung Galaxy A32 is 184 grams. It is quite light and compact and also comfortable in hand. The card slots on A32 series is pretty complete. It comes with dual nano SIM slot and also a dedicated micro SD card slot. Unlike the A52 series, which already comes with stereo speaker and also water resistant rating, on this A32 the speaker is mono and placed at the bottom of the smartphone. Beside the speaker, you also find a USB Type-C and also a 3.5 audio jack. On the right there are power button and a volume button. Then at the top there is only one hole for the microphone. On the left side there is a micro SD slot and also dual nano SIM card slot. The thickness of this smartphone looks not too thick and still pretty thin. The design also looks minimalist with clean and simple design. Okay, now let's take a look at the display of the Samsung Galaxy A32 and some operating system and software on the smartphone. Let's immediately turn on the Samsung Galaxy A32 smartphone, and do the initial setup on this smartphone. And now let's add the fingerprint on this A32 series. The fingerprint position on A32 series looks a little bit lower as compared to S21 Plus series. The fingerprint sensor animation color is white on this latest One UI 3.1 on Samsung Galaxy A32. The icon also changed on the latest One UI 3.1 on this A32 series. And here is the initial appearance of the Samsung Galaxy A32. The screen looks quite vibrant and bright when you first look at it. For the smoothness, it also active with a 90Hz refresh rate. Here you can really feel a smoother refresh rate display on the Samsung Galaxy A32 when you swipe like this. The screen of Samsung Galaxy A32 comes with Super AMOLED screen display with 90Hz refresh rate. The brightness of the screen can be at maximum 800 nits. On the initial setting of the Samsung Galaxy A32, the refresh rate is already 90Hz right inside the box. For the smoothness, when you scroll at the screen, it immediately feels quite smooth when you use the Samsung Galaxy A32 smartphone. The smoothness of movement when you scroll on the Samsung A32 feels smooth, and the screen is also quite vibrant. The screen is also vibrant and bright enough, just like the typical Samsung screen with Super AMOLED display. And the 90Hz refresh rate also make this phone pretty attractive because this is the cheapest Samsung smartphone that you can get with 90Hz refresh rate. For the Android and One UI version used on this A32 is Android 11. It comes with One UI 3.1 version. For the A32 series, because this is a mid-range version, of course you already have One UI full version and it doesn't come with One UI core version. So the feature is already quite complete. On the camera application, you can get several modes like photo and also portrait mode, and there is also a video mode. Then on the more section, you can get AR doodle, pro mode, panorama, food, night mode, macro mode, slow motion, and also hyperlapse. And the photo and video quality is also pretty good on the Samsung Galaxy A32 series. It seems like the quality is quite similar to A52 and A72 camera. So for those of you with a tight budget, you can get this phone with 90Hz refresh rate with a pretty good camera quality at a very affordable price. The front camera of Samsung Galaxy A32 comes with 20 megapixel camera resolution with f2.2. The camera design doesn't come with punch-hole camera design like on A52 and A72 series. Here are some sample photos from the front camera. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and also subscribe so you will be notified when there is a new video from this channel. If you have question or comment, you can comment in the comment section down below, or you can ask in our Telegram group, or you can DM us on our Instagram account @Entertainment. See you in the next video.